welcome back to the channel. And obviously by the title you will know that we're going to be cleaning these, making these, I can't say perfect, but we're going to make them a lot better. As you can see, I've been rocking with these, sorry about the glare, but I've been rocking with these for a while. But today we're going to take some sanding blocks, very fine grit sanding blocks, and make our way all the way up to like 1200 grit or something like that, and then we're going to clear coat them. But yeah, I'm pretty bored, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what I do step by step. Alright guys, so here's how we're going to start it off with. We're going to have 3 blocks here. We're going to start with, we got a 180 grit, 320 grit. We're going to make our way to 400, 600, and then 1000, 1500. That will obviously be the end. I already started a little bit just to get a feel of what it's going to look like. Towards the end we'll be wet sanding, but when we started off, we'll just go dry, get all the rough edges down, and then we'll keep going until we got a perfect edge. This is a year before capture right here, how bad they are right now, but we'll get it figured out and go on to the next step. Guys, so obviously this isn't perfect. Little background about these headlights: I got them about an hour and a half away from me for $40, and my white and black look, this just tied it all together. So for $40, obviously, they're bad, but $40, $40, these headlights can run about $350, in mint condition. So I made up with a good deal. But basically, what you want to do with your 180 grit is get down, make this as smooth as you want it to be. Obviously this is going to be as good as you want it to be. You're not going to get every little thing, but when you're going to run your hand around it, if you don't run over anything that feels bad, go on the next step. Like there's a couple spots right here and right here, a little bit down here that you just can't get to. But once you do that, you're going to go on to your next step. But before every single phase, what I like to do is just put some alcohol on the pad or your paper towel, wipe it down, and then clean your hands off. And then you can get a really good feel of how smooth it is. But you'll do that between every single step, all the way down to your 1500. But we'll take every step at a time, and I'll take you guys with. this next part, obviously, your 1500 grit. We just got done. This is post the 600, real smooth. But for this part, we will be wet sanding. So I left my headlights in so that obviously I'm inside. I don't want to leave my headlights unattended all night just in case it were rain or anything. So I just left them in here. I taped these off, put a little paper towel over them, and so yeah, that's what I did. But you will be wet sanding. So you're going to take this, and obviously you're going to dip it in. Bring it out a little bit, and then you'll be working like this. So I'm going to get started right on that. Alright guys, so this is what I use. I'm using a high heat clear coat. You shake it up for about a minute before you use it. Here's my makeshift paint booth. But you want to make sure you're taking even coats. I'm not sure how many coats we'll do. Probably somewhere between 3, 2. But we'll get started right here. Don't forget that you need to wipe it down with alcohol to get rid of all the contaminants before you spray paint. Coat number 1 is on, and we will let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, this is the second coat going on right now. I apologize if you guys can't see it very well. The glare is kind of bad. Alright guys, you can see that a little bit better. There are imperfections still, but go back, night and day difference. This is the third coat and it's looking really good right now. Waited 20 minutes between each coat. And shake the can for a minute between every time you paint it. So this will be the last coat, and then we'll compare them after we wait one more time. Here's what you guys are going to get, your final product. It'll come in and look amazing just like this. So I hope you guys watch it, and we'll get it back on. Alright guys, so after about 20 minutes of sanding with the 180 grit, I've come to the conclusion that this imperfection right here is just there. I've smoothed the crap out of this, and over here, same thing kind of goes. I guess that's what happens when you get $40 headlights. You can't polish a turd. But at the end of the day, we're going to power through this, and we're going to get the best result. Everybody, I just literally spent another 20 minutes on this. It's currently about 1 a.m. But that 180 grit, I mean, this is smooth. Like I definitely can't get better than this. This is all the way smooth down here. I come all the way across here. This had a little bump in it, so I grinded that down or sanded that down. But all the way across here is smooth. So I mean, hopefully, you know, the sanding process makes this look a little bit nicer, and then some clear helps it out. But this is where I'm at right now. You know, it is what it is. I'll just move on to the next
Progress update, guys. This is the end of the first coat. Actually, I just laid down the first coat. So, honestly, I'm surprised that it's even looking this good. So that's a positive.
Make our way over here. That looks absolutely amazing. The driver's side, I am so surprised at how amazing that looks. So hopefully we can get a similar effect with this one, but I won't be mad. You know, there's that huge blemish in the middle. But whatever, I'll get you guys. I'm probably gonna skip the second and third coat and just get you guys at the end. Hey everybody, not sure if you could tell because of all the. There we go. There's a little bit you can see better, but sorry for it being all dirty. It snowed pretty bad, and but I am having some condensation inside of the lens. But besides that, they're keeping it clean very well. The clear coat with 2 or 3 coats works amazing. So again, apologize that you can't see it very well, but hey guys, thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend this. At night, you notice the difference on low beams and your high beams, especially, you know, since my lenses are all fogged up, whatever. I still notice a huge difference. It does last. I've had it on here through rain, winter storms, all that stuff, man. I've been behind, you know, rock trucks. You know, there are, you know, it stuff lasts, period. This is the right way to do it. I definitely would recommend this to anybody that was asking me anything about this. So I couldn't find a single video on YouTube about this, so I wanted to be that video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm not going to keep rambling on. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day, guys.